Today, I'm showing you how to link notes in Obsidian and how backlinks work so you can actually see those connections. So here I am in my project ideas note. To link to another note, all you do is type 2 square brackets like this. See that? Obsidian instantly pulls up a list of every note in your vault. I'll start typing the name of the note I want, and just like that, I've linked project ideas to marketing plan. Super simple. That's the whole trick. Now here's the cool part. Let's jump into that marketing plan note by clicking the link. Over here in the right sidebar, there's a section called Backlinks. This shows every note that links to this one. See it right there? Project ideas. Because that's the note we just linked from. This is what makes Obsidian different from a normal folder. Every link is two-way. You don't have to remember what connects to what. Obsidian remembers for you. So that's it. Type 2 brackets, pick a note, and Obsidian handles the rest, showing you the connection from both sides. Try linking a couple of your own notes right now and check the backlinks panel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.